Assalamu alaikum class. Very good evening to you. Hope so you all are fine. This is your maths class and today your task is you have to write number 51 to 100. So let's see on your book page. Here you can see number is given 5151 to 7070. So you have to trace these number. You have to write these number. As you can see, some beads are given here and these are 50 beads. Purple, 10 red, 10 green, 10 yellow and 10 pink. Total are 50 beads. So you have to draw 20 more beads because here you are writing 51 to 70. So you have to write 70 beads, 10 should be red and 10 should be blue. Complete this page, read this counting and also write it. Let's open your next page. Here you can see counting 7171 to 9090. Dear class, you have to count the given beads and also trace the counting. Also write it on your book. So 20 more beads you have to draw. Draw 10 brown beads and 10 more green beads on the given string and then count it again. Here is last page for you and here is counting given from 9191 to 100. So you have to write it. आपने ये भी काउंटिंग राइट करनी है, आपने सारे बीट्स को काउंट भी करना है. हेयर 90 बीट्स आर गिवन, आपने 90 बीट्स को काउंट करना है. 10 मोर यू हैव टू ड्रॉ इट बाय योरसेल्फ. आपने 10 पर्पल बीट्स भी ड्रॉ करने हैं एंड देन काउंट इट अगेन. सो क्लास, डू दिस वर्क केयरफुली एंड टेक केयर ऑफ़ योरसेल्फ. बाय बाय. अल्लाह हाफिज़.